Hello students, today's point of discussion is integrated rate law for gas phase first ordered reaction. Now let's discuss what will be the integrated rate law for the first ordered reaction in which all the ingredients involved are gases. Now consider a first ordered gas phase reaction. Consider first order gas phase reaction of type A gas gives B gas plus C gas. Now all the ingredients including reactant and also product are in the gas phase right in this reaction. Now again consider, let the initial pressure of reactant, let initial pressure of reactant, that is A, B, the PI. Now PI is supposed to be the initial pressure of A, and that decreases by X within the time T. I mean, we are allowing the reaction to happen up to the time interval of T, and within that time interval the initial pressure whatever reactant has get decreased by X. Now the key factor is the pressure of reactant at a time interval of T. So pressure of reactant, that is A, at time T is, what will be the pressure then? Say PA is equal to PI, which happens to be the initial, and it get decreased by the amount X. So this is supposed to be the one. Now the pressure of reactant A at time interval of T will be PI minus X. Now pressure of B and C, that is product. Remember, the number of moles in the stoichiometric equation of B and C is the same. Therefore, their pressures will also be the same. So the pressures of B and C at time T are, now pressure of B, that is PB, will be equal to pressure of C, and that comes X. Why? Because initial pressure decreased by X, and ultimately reactant has get converted into what? Product. Therefore X will be the pressure of what? B and C. Now we need to take care of the total pressure. Remember, in the assembly A, B and C, all ingredients are present. So we need to take care of the contributions of all these ingredients. So total pressure at time T is, so total pressure is supposed to be P. So total pressure will be the pressure contribution of all ingredients, that is this plus this plus this. So total pressure will be Pi minus X plus X plus X. Now this gives, so P is equal to Pi plus X. Therefore X is equal to P minus Pi. Now it is supposed to be 2. Now when we substitute the value of X in equation number 1, so what we need to do? By substituting X is equal to what? P minus Pi in equation 1 we get. So what will be the result then? This is the equation 1. So PA will be equals to Pi minus, now put the value of X as P minus Pi. So P minus Pi. Now this gives PA equals to twice of PI minus P. So this is the pressure of reactant after time interval of T. Now integrated rate law for first ordered reaction. Integrated rate law for first order reaction is, so what is integrated rate law then? K is equal to 2.303 upon T log base 10 concentration of A naught upon concentration of AT. Normally we use this integrated rate equation. Now concentrations are expressed in terms of pressure right here. Why? Because we are dealing with the first ordered gas phase reaction. So concentration are expressed in terms of pressures. Then what happens? Concentration of A naught is the initial concentration of reactant. So we need to take initial pressure right here. So the initial pressure of reactant is Pi. So instead of this, I mean concentration of A naught, we need to use term Pi. And concentration of AT is the amount of reactant remain unreacted after time interval of T. So instead of concentration, we need to use what? Pressure. So amount of reactant means pressure of reactant after time interval of T is twice of Pi minus P. So instead of concentration of AT, we need to put this. So thus this equation becomes K is equal to 2.303 upon T log base 10 Pi, that is initial pressure, upon twice of Pi minus P, that is the pressure of reactant after time interval of T. So this will be the integrated rate law for first ordered gas phase reaction. Thank you very much.